Hello, my name is Kate. I'm boarding house parent, and today I want to give you an idea about our boarding house. So now we're in Fison's girls boarding, and this is our common room. Boys and girls, they have their own common room in each house. So here we have TV, and girls can watch it. Like we have Disney Plus, Netflix, Prime. Also, there are fridges, so they can put their food here, make toast because we have toaster, microwave, tea, coffee, and they just like spending time here together. So now I'll show you an example of the room. So every student has their own space, individual bathroom. So laundry, bedsheets, everything is provided for summer school by school. So they have wardrobe here, their own space for clothes. Also, they have shared bathrooms, one bathroom for 4 students. That's all.